Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ayman. Today I'm going to do the translation of Surah Al-Masad. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Perish the two hands of Abu Lahab, an uncle of the Prophet, and perish he. His wealth and his children will not benefit him. He will be burnt in a fire of blazing flames, and his wife too, who carries wood thrones of Sadan, which she used to put on the way of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or used to slander him. In her neck is a twisted rope of masad, the prime fiber. Sadaqallahu al-aliyyul azim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.